We've all been there. You open your app, see the red numbers, and feel that knot in your stomach. It's not just about money. It's about the time you spend earning it and the dreams you have for your family. Most people will tell you to just hodl and wait for better days, but hold on demand can sometimes turn your hard-earned investments into sleeping assets that just sit there while the market stays flat. But what if you could wake those assets up? Today we're talking about a plan to transform Bitcoin, Ethereum and XRP from stagnant holdings into a digital cash flow hub that could target a profit of $17,000 even when the market feels like it's going nowhere. To build a house that lasts, you need a solid foundation. In the crypto world, that's the big three. Think of Bitcoin, BTC as your digital gold, the ballast that keeps your ship steady. Then there's Ethereum, ETH, the backbone of the new internet providing the utility the world needs. And finally, XRP, the bridge for global payments that is seeing a massive return in liquidity and momentum. These aren't just random coins. They are the established pillars of the industry. The goal isn't just to own them, but to make them work for you. So, how do we start? First, we stop trying to time the market. Instead, we use dollar cost averaging DCI. Imagine putting aside $500 a month into these three. This removes the stress of the daily dip and builds a disciplined habit. Next, we look for staking and yield farming. Instead of letting your ETH or XRP sit idle, you can use trusted platforms like Binance, Coinbase or Kraken to earn rewards just for holding. It's like putting your crypto in a high-yield savings account, making sure every coin is pulling its weight. Now, if you want to shift into high gear, the smart money is looking at hash rate allocation. Platforms like LeanHash allow you to take that stagnant BTC or AT and convert it into hash rate contracts. This is powerful because it can generate a fixed daily output of 1.5% to 1.8% regardless of whether the market price is moving up, down or sideways. For XRP holders, there are even specialized products that leverage its high liquidity for short-term settlements, with yields reaching up to 1.78% in 24 hours. The secret sauce? Compound interest. By taking those daily settlements and immediately reinvesting them, a $17,000 target becomes a mathematical path over 45 to 60 days rather than just a lucky guess. Know what you're thinking. Is this real? In this industry, trust is more valuable than gold. Look for transparency. Platforms like LeanHash actually let you view their physical mining farms in Iceland and Kazakhstan via real-time cameras. To manage this, you need the right tools. Use CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko to track prices and MetaMask for your decentralized moves. Always set your stop-loss orders to protect your downside. Remember, we are building a cash flow hub, not gambling. Market downturns aren't scary when you have a plan. They are actually when wealth is redistributed to those who stay calm and stay active. Don't let your assets sleep while you're working hard. Start small, even with a free trial bonus if available, and find the strategy that fits your risk tolerance. You've got the tools, you've got the big three, and now you've got the plan. Let's turn those red charts into your future. I'll see you in the next one.